Okay, what up YouTube? We got a pickup. This is from PickYourShoes.com. As you can see, it's a Lebron 10. It says Lebron X right there. And the official colorway is starter gray, sport gray, and electric yellow. So let's pull out the shoes. As you pull out the paper, you got a colored paper with LeBron symbols all over it. And here they are. As you can see, the whole upper consists of a luxurious and thick hyperfuse in a sport gray color. You got mesh cutouts, which are see-through, in starter gray. Your tongue, as you can see right here, is padded and is a mesh tongue with designs at the top. That is in sport gray. The swooshes on the outside right here is a symbolic Lebron 10 backward swoosh, which is in starter gray, outlined in electric yellow. As for the inside, it's starter gray. The flywire, as you can see, pops out through the eyelids, and it is yellow with gray speckling. The laces are thick rope laces that are starter gray and speckled with sport gray. As you can see, we have some TPU right here cut out as diamonds. As we move down to the midsole, it is starter gray and cut out to represent the diamond. We have a 360 zoom airbag at the bottom with yellow fibers. And you got, for the sole, you have a modified herringbone pattern with a see-through clear Lebron logo right here, showing to the zoom air unit, and an X representing 10 in starter gray. At the top of the toe right here, you got a Lebron 10 symbol. And so that's it for this shoe. This diamond was based on LeBron.